Hi everybody, I'm going to make a drink called the Passion Flower. Now this is a delicious, simple to make, refreshing, summery cocktail. All you need is a nice big wine glass and some nice premium ingredients, and using our Uber bar tools to make it all happen. In this case I'm going to use the Manly Spirits Australian Dry Gin with forage botanicals, a little bit of the St. Germain Elder flower liqueur, a little bit of fresh passion fruit, some tonic water, fever tree in this case, to lengthen it out, and you can add a little bit of orange blossom water as an optional touch if you'd like. We're going to then finish that off with the beautiful edible flowers, lots of ice, stir it up, and you've got a great cocktail. Let's get into it.